Hi friends, today we'll discuss 6 simple tips for health and fitness. I love these things very much and I am sure sharing these things with you I'll be more happy and it will be more beneficial to you. Learn in 6 minutes what can help you beyond 60 years. Healthy tips on 6 types of nutrients. So basically, what are nutrients and nutrition? Nutrients are food components required for body's growth, energy and for leading a normal life. These help in nutrition, which includes all processes of obtaining foods necessary for good health, from eating to absorption and usage in various body functions and organ systems. Nutrition is very important factor for health, fitness and development. It is crucial for strengthening immune system, maternal health, safe childbirth. Better nutrition makes people more productive, while malnutrition poses threats to human health in various forms. So there are two major nutrients. One is macronutrient, other is micronutrient. This excludes water and omega-3 fatty acids, which are also now treated as most important nutrients. So macronutrients include carbohydrates, commonly called as carbs, protein and fats. These three, carbohydrates, carb, protein and fats, which the body needs in large amount to provide energy or calories. And micronutrients include vitamins and minerals, which are required comparatively smaller amounts in the body. So what are the basic carbohydrates? These may be simple or complex carbs, differing in chemical structure. Simple carbs release sugar faster. Daily carb intake depends on personal health condition, lifestyle and other things. So take carbs mostly from vegetables and fruits, it will be better for the health. Take a colorful dish of vegetables and fruits, a variety in color, rainbow colors. Let all the charming contrast colors attract your mind for healthy eating. Then proteins, these are made up of amino acids and function as enzymes, hormones and antibody in the immune system. These do not serve as direct source of energy to the body like that of carbs. They work like building blocks for body structure. These foods include the green leafy vegetables like broccoli, beans, nuts, legumes, eggs, fish, lean meat. There are various variety of options available for non-vegetarians also. So, but plant-based proteins include are preferred and include foods like beans, peas, almond, sunflower oil, and animal-based protein include meat, fish, chicken, turkey. Don't think that fats are not required for body and you should avoid fats. No, some fats are required for the body and healthy fats are essential for good health. HDL, that high density lipoprotein cholesterol, known as good cholesterol, is desired at higher levels, which lowers the risk of heart disease. So change your mind and don't think always the fats are bad for health. Complete control of all fats does not augur well for good health condition. Optimum HDL level 60 mg per deciliter or above. Unsaturated fats like animal fat, butter should be avoided. Saturated fats like animal fat, butter should be avoided, but unsaturated fats available in fatty fish like salmon, fruits, avocado, nuts, flaxseed should be consumed. So unsaturated fats should be consumed and saturated fats like animal fat should be avoided as far as practicable. Fats to live like trans fats, fats to love like fish fat, avocado, fats to limit like cheese, butter. You can read this healthline.com for details. So what are the vitamins? Vitamins are available in many forms. These are organic substances and can be broken down. This helps to build protein and multiplication of cells, build collagen and help in healing wounds. There are various types of vitamins which perform varieties of functions for different body parts and organ systems. Vitamin A. Say for example, vitamin A helps in red blood cell formation, reproduction, skin and bone formation, vision, and these are available in carrot, egg, pumpkin, red pepper, sweet potato. Similarly, vitamin B6, nervous system function, immune function and blood cell formation. In these things it helps. Found in chickpeas, citrus fruits, potato, salmon. Vitamin B12 found in meat, poultry, dairy products and helps in nervous system function, red blood cell formation. Similarly, vitamin C, antioxidant, collagen, immune function, wound healing, all these facilities are there. In all these things, vitamin C helps. And these are available in lemon, orange, grapes, kiwi, strawberries, broccoli, tomato. So, these vitamins are available. There is no need of buying vitamin pills or something if you really take care of your foods. Take vitamin D through egg, fish, mushroom, sunlight. This helps in bone growth, blood pressure regulation, hormone production. Vitamin E helps in formation of blood vessels, antioxidant, boost immunity. And these are available very easily with these green vegetables like spinach, nuts and seeds, vegetable oils. Vitamin K is available in green vegetables and helps in blood clotting, making strong bones. So take food in the right way and know in which food you can get which type of help. Read in FDA US Food and Drug Administration guidelines. You will enrich your ideas to a great extent. Learn the minerals. Variety of minerals are required for body for various functions like zinc, calcium, chloride, chromium, copper, iodine, iron, magnesium, manganese, molybdenum, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, sodium. We'll discuss a few here. Say for example, calcium. Calcium helps in blood clotting, hormone secretion and is available in green vegetables, dairy products. Calcium, chloride, digestion. Chloride helps in digestion, fluid balance, nervous system function and is available in seaweeds, tomato, lettuce. Chromium helps in insulin function, protein, carbohydrate. It is available in broccoli and banana, apple and fat metabolism available in grape, orange, turkey. Copper is antioxidant, bone and collagen formation. It mainly helps in collagen formation and fat metabolism. It is available in grape, orange, turkey. Iodine helps in metabolism, growth, reproduction. Iodized salt, potato, seaweed. Available in thyroid hormone production. Iodine is very helpful in metabolism, growth and reproduction. Available in iodized salt, potato, seaweed. Iron similarly is very helpful in red blood cell formation, wound healing and is available in beans, eggs, fruits, nuts. So learn all the facilities for availability of minerals in various foods and learn how this can help you in various ways. Not only these 5 macro and micronutrients, you take water a lot every day. Water helps a lot, especially water helps in brain development, in brain functioning. Water carries nutrients to all parts of the body. It provides oxygen to our brain. It flushes out toxins and waste. Regulate body temperature. On average, 8 glasses of water should be taken daily by an adult. An average person needs about 2000 calories every day. It depends more on physical activity level, climatic conditions, age, gender. Empty calories from foods like cakes, donuts are not good for health. So have a balanced diet, including all sorts of nutrients which can provide you necessary calories as well as adequate nutrition. It includes variety of foods with vegetables, fruits, dairy products, grains, protein foods. I trust these 6 simple steps for health and fitness will help you throughout your life to live a good life with your family and friends. Wish you good days ahead. Thank you.